What is an NFT? Well, for starters, NFT stands for non-fungible token. That's technical mumbo-jumbo for a one-of-a-kind digital collectible. An NFT can be a piece of art, a song, or a clip of someone doing something ridiculous, or amazing, or both. Wax viral NFTs are even more special because they can be tied to things in the real world, like an actual shoe or concert ticket. They give you the ability to own physical things as NFTs without needing to take actual delivery. Think of all the emissions you'll save without all of that excess shipping. Imagine owning the first ticket issued from your favorite artist or sporting event. Virals enable you to hold that item digitally, keeping it safe and in mint condition. NFTs are quickly becoming a new form of social currency. It's why they're valuable. Just like your impeccable taste in fashion. And because Wax is built on an energy-efficient and carbon-neutral blockchain, there are no crazy fees that you may experience on other chains. Sign up now and mint your first viral NFTs for free on the Wax Cloud wallet. The environment will thank you.